Melissa from Melissa at Home, and welcome back to another video. First and foremost, thank you guys so much for hitting that motivational button, aka the subscribe button below this video, and subscribing to Melissa at Home. I call it the motivational button because it really motivates me to continue to upload videos such as this, and hopefully it is helpful for you guys, that these resources and these videos, as well as my website, is helping you guys in gaining some insights on ways to earn an income, whether it's earning extra cash or getting started in a new business. Whatever stage you are in your financial situation, hopefully this information is of use to you. And thank you guys so much for sharing my videos. So let me just jump into the topic of this video. This video is for those who are seeking part-time or maybe even flexible work from home positions. You may have children, little ones at home, and you may be a single mother or single dad. These positions are not gender specific. So whether you're a male or female and you have children at home, these types of positions you can look into to get some income coming into your home. So the first type of position that is really good for single parents is doing some customer service. So with different companies, they offer a lot of flexibility, and you can choose your schedule, what time you want to work. So this way it enables you to work around your children's schedule. So let's say they have nap time at a certain time, you can do these types of positions. Okay, so with customer service jobs, you may want to look into doing overnight work, and when your kids are asleep, you can work maybe after 9 p.m. and make some additional income. So you can look into a company called U-Haul. They tend to hire customer service agents to work in their rental car service sector. So they tend to hire agents to work overnight, and they pay really well. I believe they start at $9 an hour, and then I've heard agents have been making up to $11 per hour with U-Haul, and this type of company hires mainly in the US. Okay, so definitely check out U-Haul. They do hire for part-time agents to work overnight hours. I do have a list of other companies that will allow you a lot of flexibility in a customer service related area. So I'll post a link to that information if you are interested in doing customer service jobs and you want to know more about the companies that offer, flexible schedule for you. And the second type of position that you may want to consider is data entry and typing positions, as well as transcribing. Those type of positions allow you a lot of flexibility. They pay really well. And of course, you can do them with your kids around, whether they're sleeping or they're busy, playing and so forth. And you can watch them over your computer while you're typing. So, and you can stop at certain times if you need to, address whatever they're doing and get their snacks or feed them. You can, put aside, you can step away from your desk and do what you need to do and come back and get back to work. Okay, so typing positions are ideal for work at home parents. You may want to look into a company called Action Data. I'm probably butchering the name of this company. It's AXION, Axion Data, and they offer part-time typing positions in data entry as well as transcribing. They pay, I believe, $4 to $19 an hour, and they pay on per piece basis, meaning that they will pay you for entering data, whether it's from scanned images and so forth. So they pay per piece basis. Okay, so you can check out this company. I'll post a link below this video so you can check them out. Another company that is similar is Scribby. Again, I'm sorry if I'm butchering the names of these company, but I'll post the name of the company somewhere on this video. Again, this company also provide work for data entry and transcribing. You'll be transcribing audio files, whether it's for phone calls, podcasts, webinars, and so forth. And they pay $10 to $20 per audio file. The link will be posted below this video, so check out the links below this video. Another type of job that you may want to consider if you're a single parent is doing some online tutoring. If you've had experience in teaching or tutoring, then you can bring that experience online as well. There are so many different companies that hire online tutors and teachers to teach English, to teach math, science, whatever topic that you majored in college. Okay, you can check out a company called VIP Kid. They hire English speakers to translate to, Asian children in China. Okay, they also pay their online tutors and teachers up to $2,000 per month. And of course, you'll find a full list of online tutoring companies that you can check out as well. Another type of position that you may want to consider is online chat jobs or email support jobs, and I'll list companies below this video that you can check out for those types of jobs as well. Okay, sites like SiteStaff, Site5. Site5 hires internationally. SiteStaff hires US only, and currently I'm not sure if they have positions, but you can check out their site, and there is an agent that is live on their site, and you can ask questions whether or not they have positions available. But it's definitely a company that you may want to continue to check up on for positions, because they hire chat agents once in a while. Another site again is Site5. They hire internationally. You may want to contact them, go to their website and contact them and see if they have positions available. There's other companies as well, and again, I'll post those companies for you below this video. You can also look into maybe doing some freelance work. A company called Ask Wonder is a great place to start. They hire freelancers and they pay $35 an hour. You'll be considered an independent contractor / freelancer. Okay, now for Ask Wonder, you don't necessarily need to have experience. Okay, so check out Ask Wonder. Again, they hire freelancers in various areas, and they will pay you $35 an hour for various tasks that they may require you to do. So it could be writing jobs, typing jobs, web design jobs, and so forth. So check out Ask Wonder for some freelance work. Okay, so yes, these are just a few of the type of positions that are available to single parents, single moms, or single dad. Again, they are not gender specific. They may be age limited, but they're not gender specific, and anyone can do these jobs. Okay, so if you are a single parent, yes, you can find some companies that will work with you and some positions that can pay you really well while you are home with your little ones. Okay, so don't forget to check out all the links will be posted below this video. Links to companies and information that I may not have mentioned in this video will be posted in the links below this video. Okay, so that's basically all I have for you today in this video. Hopefully it was helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up and share this information. And thank you guys so much again for your support. I'll see you guys next time in another video. I have some awesome information coming up, so you definitely want to subscribe if you're not subscribed. All right, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and I'm trying to get involved in some other social sites. So if you know of other social sites that I need to get involved with, then post them below this video. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining the Ma Crew, Melissa at Home Crew, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time in another video again. Happy work from home, guys.